Welcome to a new tutorial on how we can use green screen video in our own AI experience. If you are logged into the CMS, the marker overview will open immediately. Here you will find all uploaded interactive images, the so-called markers. We are now going to add a new marker. Click on New Marker and upload a JPEG image. The image is checked for quality by the system. Click now on the AR element video. The creator opens with the option to upload a video yourself, or choose a sample video from the library. In this case, we will upload our own video. The video is of the green screen type and is therefore recorded on a green background. You can also upload blue screen videos or any other video where the background has one color. Click on Use File. The video will now be uploaded to the CMS. Now click on Next. As mentioned, this video has a uniform background color, also known as alpha video. Click the checkbox Is alpha video. You can now select the color of the background of your video. With the slider you can adjust the color tolerance. If your video has light green edges when you watch it later with the VEEWAR app, you can adjust this with these settings. A default value of 0.3 is often sufficient. Now scroll down. You can set also a video to 90 degrees. This means that the video will be placed upright on the uploaded image. For now we use 0 degrees. Now click on Next. We now skip the setting of an animation for the appearance of the video. So just click on Save. You will now see that the video is placed on the marker. When you look at the image with the VEEWAR app, the green part of the video will be filtered out, and it therefore looks like the businessman is presenting from your image. Click Save. Finally, we are going to activate the marker. After activation you can immediately scan the marker with the corresponding VEEWAR app, and you will see the added video appear. If you want to download the app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store, then search for VEEWAR, or scan the QR code that is displayed in the screen right now in the lower right. In the description you find also a link to the VEEWAR app in the app stores. If you don't have the marker printed on hand, then click on the Hide button at the top and scan the marker from the screen.
Welcome to VEEWAR, the augmented and virtual reality platform that provides affordable, user-friendly, and added value to your printing. The example you see now is a green screen video.
If you want, you can now also place several other AR or VR elements on your marker. Make sure that you save the changes before you scan the marker again with the VEEWAR app. Please follow us on social media to see more tutorials and examples how you can create AR or VR experiences yourself. Go to our website for a free trial or try directly in our demo environment.